Welcome to ICT class. Exclusive gate, abbreviate as XOR gate. So this is actually the presentation of XOR gate. There are at least two input and one output. And the output is equals to, we could write down A exclusive B, which is referring to AB one bar on B and A bar B. This is actually the output of XOR gate. Indeed, there is a truth table. So let's explain this truth table. So as there are two input, so we could write down A as an input and B is another input. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. Indeed, we have to have A bar as well and B bar. So we could write down AB bar and A bar B, and Q, the total output is equals to A exclusive B, which is the sum of A B bar and A bar B. So if we invert the value of A, so we'll find 1, 1 and 0, 0, and here 1, 0, 1, 0. So A B bar. So A B bar 0 1 is 0, 0 0 is 0, 1 1 will be 1, and 1 0 will be 0. Same as A bar B. So A bar B 0 1 1, first one is 0, then 1 multiply with 1 is 1, 0 0 is 0, and 1 0 is 0. Now it's time to sum up this two value. So this is actually the Boolean algebra formula has been used here to formulate 0 0 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 1, and 0 0 0. It means when we have one input is 0, another one is 1, indeed we'll find the output 1. One is 1, another one is 0, we'll find 1. So opposite input are given the output high, right? So now it's time to draw the equivalent circuit for XOR gate. Indeed, we have to have two line, input line. So one will be, let's say, A, and another one will be B. So this is A and B. And also we have to have two NOT gate, one with A because there are prime or bar have been used. Indeed, here will be one NOT gate have been implemented. So this is A bar. Pardon, my line is not perfectly straight. Anyways, so here will be NOT bar connected with B, and this is connected with A. So this is another NOT gate. And then, of course, we have to have two AND gate because there are actually two AND gate because here A dot B bar and A bar B bar. So here two NOT gate, AND gate. So here is one AND gate, another one is here. So AND gate means multiplication. One is directly from A. Let's change the color to emphasize the connection. So this is A and this is B. So we find from this AND gate, or the output from this AND gate is A B bar. Same as this will be B, and from A bar. So here we'll find A bar B. Now we have to sum up this two. So we have to use OR gate. So this is a OR gate, and of course output is Q. So this one is connected, one with this one, another with this one. So output is A exclusive B, where two opposite input given the output 1, and if two inputs are similar, indeed we can't find the output. It's time to draw the electric circuit diagram for the XOR gate. Indeed, we have to have the output of XOR gate. So output of XOR gate, say Q is equals to A exclusive B, or we could write down A bar B plus A B bar. Now it's time to draw the circuit diagram. For precise understanding, let's draw 4 circuit diagram to understand the output of XOR gate. So I already have drawn 4 images, same actually, the circuit diagram. So let's consider this is A and this is B, same as this is A and this is B, A, B. Let's draw the switch A, B, A, B, A, and B. Switch, switch. So electric circuit diagram from XOR gate, it is actually a switching. So here, if we could observe, when the equal input, it means 0 0 and 1 1 for XOR gate, there will be no high output, so we'll get 0 for both cases, right? Except when we have got the opposite, it means if the value of A is 0, B is 1, then we have 1. Same as 1 0, we have 1, right? And here actually two switches scheme. One is this portion, another one is this portion. Why? Because we have got A bar B, another one A B bar, and they are added together, right? Indeed, they are in series because they are added together. That's why. Now it's time to put down the value of 0 and 1. It means let's put the value of A is 0. It means it will be open, and B is 1. It means this is open and this is closed, and again A is open and B is closed. It means there will be current flow through this direction, like so. It will complete a circuit. It means we will have the output 1, which is justify this second case. Now it's time for the third case. So for third case, let's put the value of A is 1. It means this is closed. Again A is closed. It means B is open. Indeed, the current flow through this direction. So this is a closed circuit. So we'll have 1 in output. So number 2 and number 3, justified, right? Now it's time to have A open. It means A0 and B0. So B0 and A0, it means both are open. Same here. So this will be A actually. Okay. And this also be A. So A0, A0, also B0, A0, B0, A0, and this is actually B, because both are A at bottom. So A0, B0, and B0, and A0. Indeed, all these four switches are open, so there will be no current flow through here as well. So this is actually justified for the XOR gate. So this is the circuit, right?